What's up, my beautiful friends? Happy Tuesday morning. It's the official launch day for our Make Wellness products for our customers. I'm so excited. I've been using them for about 4 days. My wife's been using 2 of them. I've been using 4 of them. I absolutely love, for me personally, Fit and Lean. I've also been using Energized and Hydrated. I like them, but I'm really sold on Fit and Lean and how I'm feeling with them. The opportunity for you to buy our product drop is today. So if you have questions, pop in to my inbox, send me a message. I'll be able to help you out with that. The thing that I want to share with you guys today is this message is directly for people who are in summer cells, who are out doing pest control, solar cells, whatever that might be. You're knocking doors in the summer. It's incredibly hard work, and I want to celebrate you for doing that work. I have some really good friends that do that. Some of my daughter's friends are out doing that. And it's such a good place. You do it because a couple of things. You can make some really good money in the summer, way more than you could make working an hourly job. So you can make a lot in the summer, sometimes as much as someone would make in a whole year in a job working at a retail store or whatever. So you make really good money. You do it also because it's an incredible culture of people who are hardworking individuals who are getting out, leaving their families, knocking doors all summer, willing to face objection, face rejection. And you're around other people who are striving and growing, and it just levels you up as a person. So you're doing it for those 2 reasons. It's absolutely incredible. And then you come home, and then throughout the fall, winter, spring, you can recruit other people to go out with you, and then some of you are in college, or you're in school, or you're just working some other job. I'm gonna present you guys with an idea of what you should do. So after my mission, I learned how to knock doors. I learned how to do what you guys do. And I went to school to be a dental lab technician, and my first dental lab job didn't work out. It's a long story. We're not going to get into it, but I worked 8 weeks. I never got paid, and the doors shut. And so I was looking for a job. I got recruited into summer cells. I knocked doors. I was a month late into the summer when I started, and I won top 3 cells from all the way from Ogden through Salt Lake City down to the Provo area. And I won a cruise, and I made some really good money. I'd be in the office from 9 to 12 training. We'd go out and knock doors from 12 to 9 p.m. Made good money, earned my first cruise. That was my first cruise ever. Super incredible, right? And I did that. And so I know that a lot of you guys, or a lot of people are out there, a lot of door-to-door sales are out there just pounding Red Bulls, Monsters, energy drinks, all of these things to power through or whatever it might be. I want to remind you, those are horrible, absolutely detrimental to your health if you are consuming them all the time. That extended amount of caffeine is going to make you actually crash, so you're going to drink more of them, which is even worse for you. When you drink a lot of caffeine, it also dehydrates you, and you're not drinking enough water. So a lot of times in that culture, there's this pound energy drinks, power through and make it happen. You have the ability, I want you to know you have the ability to help people use some products that will hydrate them at the cellular level. They got a great taste to them, so it could kind of emulate the feeling of pounding something like an energy drink, but it's clean ingredients, hydrates you at the cellular level with bioactive precision peptides. We also have some incredible energy products that are sustained energy, that are slowly released over time, all natural, all clean. And so it's not going to cause those types of crashes in you or put those harmful chemicals that are in Rockstars, Monsters, energy drinks, and all of that. So you have the ability to help people get onto those types of products and feel better, stay more hydrated, have more long sustained energy, and just overall help them in their long-term health by not pounding those energy drinks and creating that horrible habit. Those products are also going to be much less than buying energy drinks. So here's the proposition that I want to give to you guys. You go out, you crush your summer sales, you earn a lot of money, you invest that into your first duplex or your real estate or whatever it is that you're doing with those summer sales, or saving money for your own home, or whatever it is that you're doing. Go crush it. But in the off season, you are building a business with us. I've been in direct sales for 15 years doing this type of work. These bioactive precision peptides are absolutely incredible. They're going to be less expensive than energy drinks and the sort. You're also, to be an effective person at your summer sales job, you got to have some high performance habits. You have to exercise daily. You have to work on your mindset. So as you're exercising daily, these in this product line, outside of what I've already shared with you, There's a fit product, there's a lean product. A lean product is very similar to what you see in GLP-1, that is an injectable peptide, but it's all natural consumable peptide, and it's gonna help people out. The fit one, it's like proven to be 35 to 40% more effective than a whey protein shake. So you're out working out, these products will help you, they're gonna help the people around you. So I've trained people in this business for over 15 years. I've generated over $10 million in commissions doing this. I've helped create multiple high earners in this type of field of work. And I've never seen a product as incredible as this, from the science and the research and the white paper research that I've done on these products in my experience of using them so far. So I have this strong feeling we're going to build $1 billion company, and you have the opportunity to come work alongside me. I train you with my 15 years experience. You can build this business in an hour and a half a day. I teach you exactly what to do. So when you're out in summer sales, maybe you're only doing 30 minutes of the work and you're already talking to people, communicating with people. So you can do that kind of on the side. Or think about this, in the fall, winter, and summer, you put in extra hours, you start to build some momentum, some compound effect of your business. And so that it's starting to earn and build your business, and that business earns you money while you're out knocking doors doing summer sales. So you're earning 2 times the amount, you're earning 2x money, because you're building that one business that compounds. When you're out doing summer sales, maybe you only put 15, 20, 30 minutes a day for those 3 months or those 4 months. But in the fall, winter, and in the spring, you're maybe putting your hour and a half or 3 hours, whatever effort you want to put into it, and you're growing that business. Guys, I'm inviting you to take a look at it. I believe you could do some incredible things with it. So if that's you, my email is in the description of this video. Send me an email, or there's a link to just enroll with me. It costs $0 to enroll. There's 0 monthly fee. There's 0 required product purchase for you to earn commission starting at 10% to 40%. We have all the training, the tools, and the resources for you to build this business without you reinventing the wheel in an hour and a half a day. So I'm waiting for that email, or just click the link and enroll. I'll see it come into my office. I'll reach out to you and I'll get you started on earning income with us with this opportunity.